Hello everybody, I'm Patrick and welcome to this video. We're going to take another look at the H5P. So we're at h5p.org. If we click on the examples and downloads, we see that we have this new beta. It's the branching scenario. So if we click on it, we see that we have some examples here, and also there's a description of what it does. And this one here doesn't have here a share, so I don't want to use that one. I have one of two, so let me go over to two. Click on that, the Arts of Europa or Europe, and down here I have a share, so or reuse, I should say. So let me reuse that. I'll click this and download this as an H5P extension, and I'll save it in my handy dandy H5P directory. Okay. Now that it's done, what I'll do is go over to my site, and you notice I have the latest version of our eLearning Complete H5P for LearnDash plugin. And this is the plugin that controls LearnDash. So what it does is an H5P interactions will control progress in LearnDash. And this is without an LRS. So that means it's fast and efficient. And it means it's lightweight. And this is the version number and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at the basic configuration page of it. So if I were to go to settings here and go to ELC H5P, we've changed this now. Now we just have 4 labels, and you can define these as you want. And so these labels we'll see in action. So just for fun, must complete, let me go ahead and change that a bit, and I'll click submit. Okay, so now we want to go over to H5P and add this new interaction by uploading it. So that's going to be under H5P content. So if we click here for all H5P content, it'll make like a list view of all the content. Now, I've already done this once, but I'll do it again. This old existing one that I did 45 minutes ago was ID 16. So let's go ahead and make a new one using the one that we just recently downloaded. So let's click Add New. And then here we get this and we click Upload. And then we upload a file, and I'll go over here and choose the latest one. You see I've downloaded a bunch of them repetitiously just as an exercise. And then I'll go ahead and click the Use button. So it'll go ahead and upload the H5P, and if libraries are missing, it would go ahead and upload the libraries needed for this new interaction beta. I guess they call it the branching scenario interaction. So that's uploading it. And again, if you watch my previous videos, the previous videos were on a local host, and this one's on a real live server. And there were some things to do, so it's a pretty complex interaction, but it uploaded it, and I get this message, so I can just basically say create. So I click on the create button to do the creation, and then I get over here an ID. Now you notice this is H5P ID equals 17. So I'm going to go to edit my lesson, and I'm going to just change these. So instead of using 16, I'm going to change that to 17. And then over here, I want this to be 17. And then these will no longer be needed. That's with the old beta that I made yesterday, but now I'm getting rid of it. So here I'm going to require 17. And then I'll click Update. So now we're requiring 17. And let me click Update again. Okay, it did it. So now let's go to our lesson. Actually, here's our course that we have this lesson in. And just for fun, I'll refresh the screen. Okay, so here's our lesson. So we have a course with just one lesson and with a final exam. So you notice the Smart Complete button is disabled. You can't click on it. And then we get this message here that we configured someplace over here, I think it was, or maybe it was over here. Oh, I guess I probably... it's probably here if I go back, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, let me go back a few tabs. One more, I think will do it. So we'd go, if we're not getting it for some reason, we'd go to settings, ELC H5P. That's right here. So let's click on that again. So this label is coming from here. This is a must complete label. You can change it here to suit your needs. So I have this, and let's go ahead and take this one. So we start learning. We could go through the interactive slideshow when we're done. We would click next. And then the art of Europe is also referred to as, that would be Western art. And then we could go and do different things on different slideshows or different activities. There's like 5 different types of interactions built in that you can choose. Renaissance painters, so I'll choose Raphael because he was a Renaissance painter. And then we can see a video on him. And I want to see the video. I'll click next. Different hotspots and that do different things. And then we get what would you want to do? I could learn about Renaissance painting, learn about another art period, and finish a course. Now, we keep track of all this data, so if I were to like go in here and choose inspect, bring up my inspector, look at console, you see that we get a lot of these messages here that we keep track of. So anyway, I'll finish the course, and I got 20 out of 20, and now you notice this is enabled, and this message came on that it's enabled. Right now it's red. I'll probably change it and let people style it the way they want. But it's very lightning fast. I think it's really, from what I can tell, it leaves all other solutions for this that touch the server and save data in a server database or in a LRS. I mean, I'd say ours is at least 1,000 times faster. I mean, there's really no comparison. But anyway, you give it a go when we make the plugin available, and you tell me what you think. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching this video. Bye.